Alright, so you get home, there's stuff everywhere, ungrateful ass kids, leaving everything messy. Now your back hurts. Now you pick it up. But look at this unrefined, gross abomination of a technique. Come on, man. You could do much better than that. Now you're in pain and you're angry. Look at that. Unbelievable. But there's a solution. It doesn't have to be that way. Let's recap. You see, right in front of you, you get up to it nice and close. Bend the hips a little bit, straighten that back out. You're going to lean into it. Bend the knees, lift with your body. Ah, beautiful, immaculate technique. The way God intended. Alright, so hip hinging. Let's talk about it. What does it mean? Well, hips, right? Anything over here, right? Hinging just means to bend. So you're bending at your hips. I know, complicated stuff, but just bear with me, right? So let's see it in action, right? Two things, two cues. You can pretend like someone kicked you in your hips in the crease of your hips, or you're throwing it back. Whatever works, whatever hits closest to home, right? So boom, we bend at our hips, butt is coming out, boom, boom, right? You're pushing the hips out this way. You're gonna feel a little bit of weight come onto the heels, right? Boom, then you're gonna bend. You're gonna hit a certain point where your hamstrings are too tight. Right here, I start feeling a bit of a stretch. Now my knees and the other stuff have to come in to get lower if the thing is pretty low. So start bending, start reaching. One thing I like to do, if it's something that's not heavy, go into this position, feet a little wider, boom. I got support right here. Anything that's kind of here, you can use as support as well, right? Instead of just doing old faithful, just doing all the work here and doing all the work there in the knees, right? But most people's hamstrings are too tight. So they got no choice, right? You got some people who are, boom, that's it. That's it, ain't going no further. Ain't nothing you could do. So the rest is all back. And it's not an attack on anybody. You know who you are. It's okay. We've all been there. We gotta get better, right? So let's do some visuals, right? Visuals. I'm a visual guy. So it's about 7,000 pounds right here. I'm gonna make it a little real easy. Something heavy, you stand right above it. Throw it back. Bend over. Two hands. Lift with the feet. Ah, life is so easy. Right? You can reach for something. You can stagger the stance. Boom. You can lunge and pick things up. All those things are kind of ways to get around dealing with pain in the back, right? You don't know how to bend the hips properly. So let's say your hamstrings are too tight. Well, let's stretch them. Y'all know how to stretch them? I'm gonna show you. I got you. Another thing too is people just don't know how to initiate the movement, and that's okay. All of this stuff takes practice. What you can do to learn this habit, you by yourself, no one's watching, you don't have to be self-conscious, just boom. Do it until you feel a stretch in the hamstrings, right? Ass out, face down, stretching the hamstrings, right? That'll tell you that you're doing it right. Not this, right? Now you're collapsing forward, shifting the weight back, shifting. Weight starts moving towards the heels and not just the tip of the toes or the front of the foot. Alright, so we're gonna talk about real life practical examples of a hip hinge. Don't get distracted by a Deadpool towel. I know it's dope, but eyes up here. We're brushing our teeth. We don't all brush our teeth. Let's get that out there first, right? Stand up the right way. I don't brush my teeth like that. I don't know why I did that. Boom, killing it, doing amazing, right? Why? What's the point of doing this? That's so extra. It doesn't serve any purpose other than to bother your back. Why not throw your hips back? Boom, support. Sometimes if you got shoulder pain, this could be irritating. I sometimes deal with it, but this position doesn't bother me. Each their own, right? These are real life practical examples, especially when you go to rinse your mouth. You have to bend over, throw it back, hold on, boom. You want to clean your face, get in there, support, right? This is especially imperative for you tall, gangly people out there, right? Because you guys are the ones that really have to bend over. Look how much harder it is for me to get down there, right? That's a lot of work, right? So another piece of advice, maybe get a sink that's appropriate for you. Not everyone has that option, but it is an option. All right, so word in the street is you trying to learn how to get your hamstrings more flexible. Got you. Amazon, stretch strap, yoga strap, $10. get it done. 2 middle straps, place those loops directly over each other. Throw the foot in, you lay down. Bring this leg up with the other knee bent. Lock the knee, super important. All right, I feel a good pull. If I want more of a pull, straighten the leg as long as it doesn't bother your back. Any position is bothering your back, you're probably pulling too much and your low back is starting to arch and lift off. Don't do that. Now let's do one called hamstring runners, which I like a lot. So this is if your hamstring flexibility is pretty solid. Gonna be here, 90-90 position. Hands here, if you're a little on the short side, your back is stiff, something a little higher to hold on to. You're gonna push with the heel, lock the knee, well, not lock it, but try to straighten as much as you can. Lean forward. I get a nice little pull in my back. If this bothers you or irritates your back, don't do it. This is merely an option. If you keep it back straight and feels good, cool, go for it. Easiest one, easiest. In a chair, scoot forward a little bit. That's a rolling chair, be careful with grandma, right? Leg straight, knee lock. But for this one, I want your back as straight as possible. I don't want you to bend forward from the back, okay? Knee straight, lean that body forward while keeping your straight back. You'll feel a good pull. Now, if you want more of a pull, all you gotta do is elevate the foot. Place anything there like a stool to bring it up. If you want to, you could also throw the strap over the foot and pull it back just so you got support. Whatever works for you. Thank you guys for the support. I really appreciate it. I'm glad you guys take the time to watch my videos, comment, and give some good feedback too. I got a bunch more stuff planned for you guys. And this isn't a be-all, end-all on like how to deal with your back pain. It's just something small, but that's really important. Something to hold you over until I actually go through like posture videos and really dive deep into these things. But yeah, just keep supporting me. Keep brushing your damn teeth. Keep watching your posture and mind your business.